persuade, persuade, persuade. Induce someone to do something through reasoning or argument.
Hey, you know what? I have to go for a birthday party and none of my friends are coming along. Hey, will you come along with me?
No, I just want to stay home and read a book, and I don't want to go anywhere.
Oh, come along. I'm sure you will have fun. You know what? We'll have so many games to play. We'll get to eat such lovely cake, and there'll be a lot of activities there. You should come along.
It doesn't sound so bad. I think I'll come along with you.
Will you?
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Hey, thank you so much for getting me to this party. I'm having so much fun. There are so many games, and the cake was delicious. If you wouldn't have asked me again and again, maybe I would have just stayed at home and not come here. So thank you so much.
I'm glad I persuaded you to come to the party.
Yes, really. Thank you so much.
Let's use persuade in a sentence now. The girl persuaded her friend to come to the party with her.